this video, I will show you step by step on how to download, install and set up your 1688 account step by step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you get it done. Very easy and simple. So with that being said, let's get started. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's get started. So for you to download, install and set up your 1688 account, you have to, first of all, you have to head over to your Google Chrome. So right here, I'm going to click on my Google Chrome. Next thing you want to do is to make use of the address bar right here and type in 1688.com. Then you click on search. Boom. So it's take you in straight up. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. You have to click on the logo icon right here. Then it's bring up this. Next thing you want to do is to click on here. Then it's open up this page. So the next thing you want to do is to click on here. Then you can see the app has started download right here. Alright, so after a successful download, just tap on the download folder. Next thing you want to do is to, after a successful download, just click on open. Then click on settings, allow, then click on install. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on open right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on here. Boom. It's as simple as that. Next thing you want to do right here is to click on allow. So if you have something like this, what you need to do is to just click on here. So it's as simple as that. You can see how easy to log in, to create, download, install 1688 app using your Google Chrome without any stress. Okay, so this is how to download and install latest version of 1688 app step-by-step tutorial. I hope you got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. And lastly but not the least, if you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.